If you want to find archived messages on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to the Google Messages app. Now, in case you accidentally archive a message, you still have a couple of seconds to undo that, so you can just tap on undo, as long as you have that option, of course, to get the chat back into the main menu of Google Messages. However, if you don't have that option, let's say we don't have the option to undo that anymore, then in that case, in order to find that archived message, what you can do is you can tap on your Google account over here on the right side, or in the upper right corner. And then once you open this menu, over here you should be able to find the archived option. And then here we can of course find our archived conversation. So you can select your conversation, and if you want to, you can unarchive it by tapping on these three dots in the upper right corner. And then over here we have the unarchive option. Or in this menu, you can press and hold your finger to select the chat or conversation, and then you can use this icon over here, this box with an arrow. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.